Bitches always talking that ride or die shit with every boyfriend they get. Like, bitch, wasn't you supposed to die like 8 boyfriends ago? You fucking skithead. Why you still alive?
I'm good. I'm good.
Seen for the very first time, Sari.
Well, a very, very heavy debatation tonight. We had a very Darrison bite. Let's go ahead, tasting those for the bit. They have the pit.
Here at McDonald's, let's steal all this shit.
The Big Mac is in there. It does not in a Big Mac box.
Prank calls is the best. I love prank calls. Like, if you want me to prank call your ex, I'll do it. Dad hit her with the...
Yo, hello, Dad bugging. You deleted my number? Say where. Matter of fact, where you at? I'm dead gonna get my sister to beat you.
Yo, Billy, you ugly as shit, you dirty ass, pale ass white boy. Boy, if you was one more shade of white, nigga, you'd be clear, boy. Oh, I'll be clear. Nigga, what the fuck? Nigga, you cool?
That's as far as it goes.
This much. All the girls stop your feet.
Who the fuck you talking to like that? Who you talking to like that?
What is that? Oh shit, what is that?
I wanted to knock you the fuck out.
Keep saying it. I'm gonna start rolling back. Who you talking to?
Nigga.
Okay. Sneaky bananas.
Release all of those sounds that are trapped in your mind.
Sir, are you okay?
I'm a little messed up.
Sound on the bed, beat it up, then I get some head. Well, I might get some head, then I beat it up, I don't get. Magic is lost, 'cause you had a bad day. You take it one down, you sing a sad song just to turn it around. You say you don't know.
Hey, show me what that mouth do.